Okay guys, I am going to do a quick little project and I'm going to show you how to take a Freon tank like this and make it into a noisemaker for a football game. Our local team is in the playoffs and I want to make some noise at the game. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you everything you need how to do this. Okay, so basically, obviously you want to make sure that there's no more Freon in the bottle, that it's all empty. These things are not really thick, so the first thing I'm going to do is pick out a section. I'm going to drill some holes in it to make a hole big enough to put these bearings, real heavy bearings, if you can get a hold of them. They're about the size of a nickel, I guess, but they'll be really loud in there. So we just want to create a hole just big enough. Unfortunately, I might be able to drill around that and use that, but we'll see. I'm going to drill just a hole big enough to drop these in, and then we're going to have to cover it with a piece of metal. So you're going to need to drill the bearings and a piece of metal, which I have to find to cover up the hole, and then we're going to paint it. Okay, basically what I did was I drilled a ton of little holes here, just big enough to get a bearing in there and drop it in. So make your holes real close, and then just take a screwdriver and a hammer, and it'll puncture. This stuff, like I said, it's pretty thin, so it snaps pretty easily. So let's drop some bearings in. It's gonna get loud. So basically for the next step, you just need to cover the hole now. I don't have any metal flashing because that's what I was gonna put over here. What I do have, and I found in my shop here, is a piece of drywall, angle iron, or whatever they call that, you know, for the corner of a drywall. I'm going to flatten that out, drill some holes in the side, and we're going to use that to cover it. Okay, so here's the piece of metal. Just cut it big enough just to cover that hole. And then I got some self-tappers here. We're going to use those to put it into the bottle. And that is what the final product looks like. Obviously, you can clean yours up however you want to, and use whatever you have to cover the hole. Obviously, I'm gonna, like sand it down a little bit here on the corners. I don't want nobody to get cut on that, but here's the ultimate test. That is gonna make a ton of noise at a football game. I made this video because I was struggling to find a video on how to do this. So I'm like, I'm going to make my own video and show everybody how I did it. So I hope this helps some people. If it did, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, let me know if it helps you, and good luck to your teams. I did go ahead and paint it. This is obviously hours later, but I wanted to show you, there's the cover over here. I wanted to show you, you can clean it up, your school colors, however you want to do it. You can put, if you have stickers or anything you want to put on there from school, go for it. Paint it however you want to, but that's how it looks when it's all done. Pretty cool.